You are watching Liquid Vibes. Today I will show you how to make 3 delicious fruit punch mocktails in just 90 seconds. So let's go and jump in. Add a scoop of crushed ice into each of the 3 glasses. Now pour 15 milliliters of mint syrup, 15 milliliters of Grenadine syrup, and 15 milliliters of blue Curacao. Next, pour 30 milliliters of simple syrup to balance the sweetness. And if you want to avoid it, simply add more juice. Pour 60 milliliters of evaporated milk. If you have any queries or suggestions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will be happy to hear from you. Perfect. Now quickly mix all the ingredients. I hope you are enjoying this video. And please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting mocktail ideas. Next, fill all the glasses with lots of crushed ice. Now pour 30 milliliters of pineapple juice. I will be happy if you make these mocktails at home and share your experience with me. Lastly, top up with 30 milliliters of orange juice. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Garnish with a slice of orange. And the delicious fruit punch mocktails are now ready for you. Thanks for watching Liquid Vibes. Enjoy!